Breaking news. I am teacher Vlad and the beautiful English speaking training system. Are you struggling to learn English effectively? Well, get ready for a game-changing revelation. Today, we unveil the highly anticipated information about 7 secrets of successful learning. This groundbreaking work promises to unlock the hidden strategies that pull back the curtain on the secrets that will revolutionize the way you approach learning forever. Secret 1. Schools and universities aren't good places to learn English. Education systems all over the world are mainly arranged around the input learning style. Students learn a lot, but put the learning material into practice a little. That is why the English Proficiency Index in the age category of 18-20 years old constantly goes down in many countries of the world. However, the English Proficiency Index among the adult population goes up. It means that educational institutions cannot give students high-quality English education. After graduation, many people continue learning English by themselves, and this learning is more successful than learning English at school or at the university. Secret 2. Forget about teachers and try to master English by yourself. Many learners believe that they will start speaking English fluently and correctly just by listening to native speakers and repeating after them. Even if you have the best teacher in the world, you will not be able to start speaking English until you do serious effort by yourself. It is only your own effort that matters. Secret 3. Our body and our brain are constructed for learning by doing. The fact that learning by doing is the most effective way of learning was proven by Edgar Dale. As we can see at his learning pyramid, we can remember only 5% of what we learn at lectures, 10% of what we read, and 20% of what we hear and see. It is a passive learning, and it is the same as an input style of learning. To remember more and be able to do more, we should learn by doing or utilize output learning style. By practicing by doing, we can remember 75% of what we learn. Education scientists say that for successful learning, there should be 3 input units and 7 output units. If we learn speaking English, we should listen or read 3 times, then we should speak 7 times. Only some very diligent learners learn like that. They master English and start to speak fluently and correctly. Others listen once or twice and sometimes repeat what they hear. Such learners learn English for many years, but without any visible progress. Secret 4. Easy and fast English is a fairy tale created by those who want to make money on your ignorance. Mastering English needs a lot of time, efforts, and dedication. To understand why successful learning needs a lot of practicing, we should know about neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the ability of our brain to change physically by growing new neurons and neuron networks while learning. This process needs time and efforts. It means that we should train our brain the same as we train our muscles, that is, by repeating doing one or another movement many times. It is our nature. Those who try to learn English easily and quickly try to deceive the nature. Don't be among such learners. Secret 5. You can do exactly what you learn. If you can ride a horse, it doesn't mean that you will be able to ride a bike. To ride a bike, you should learn riding a bike. Many English learners believe that if they listen to native speakers and repeat after them, they will learn speaking English. If they just listen and repeat, they will be able to listen and repeat. To be able to speak English, they should practice making English sentences and speak English. Many English learners practice speaking with shadow technique. It is the same as repeating after a teacher. To be able to speak, English learners should think by themselves. make sentences by themselves, and speak by themselves. Secret 6. There is a synergetic language matrix, a unique, innovative, beautiful, and very effective speaking training technology that makes learners think by themselves, make sentences by themselves, and speak by themselves. The SLM was invented by me and helped thousands of students to start speaking English fluently and correctly. I use rainbow colors and pictures to make beautiful, easy, and very effective speaking training tools that help learners to get automatic speaking skills and to start speaking English fluently and correctly. Color schemes. At first, learners see color schemes with words. They look, listen, and repeat. Then, they see color schemes without words. Now, they think, make sentences replacing colors with words, and pronounce them aloud. They also learn making interrogative sentences with different question words. Talking lingua cards. At first, learners look, listen, and repeat. Then, they see some pictures and some words and make sentences. They don't just stupidly repeat sentences. They make them out of visual images they see. These exercises activate the same coding system as we use while speaking. That is why they are easy and very effective. There are more speaking training tools in the beautiful English speaking training system. They can really help English learners to master English at a high level and to become confident in English. Secret 7. Beautiful English speaking training exercises are designed so that you don't need to learn anything because you learn by doing. You repeat doing speaking exercises until you are able to make sentences and pronounce them easily, quickly, and correctly. Your brain will memorize everything automatically. To learn more about SLM and the beautiful English speaking training system, visit our website. You can choose any course according to your level and start practicing speaking English right now. Don't miss your chance to master English. Bye for now. See you at my lessons.